What it do, what it do. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aisha Christina, but I go by Strictly Chic here on this channel. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to become a member of the Strictly Chic fam. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I slick down my edges, my baby hairs, you know, all the bells and whistles, every single thing you guys need to know about slicking down your hair. So the first thing I usually do is I coat my edges or my baby hairs with some Jamaican black castor oil. Not only is this oil good for growth on your edges, like you're gonna be touching your edges, you're gonna be working with your edges. You don't want your edges to become thin at all, or rusty, dusty, and sometimes crusty. You don't want them to be like that. So you want to make sure you slick down your edges. What do you mean? You coat your edges with some Jamaican black castor oil, as you see I'm doing. Then I'm going to basically take my satin scarf and I'm going to place it over my edges and leave it there for about 5 minutes so that my edges we can start this process. So as you can see, my edges aren't going anywhere after I coated some Jamaican black castor oil on it. I'm going to use my trusty toothbrush and dip it in some Eco Styler gel, and I am going to start the slayage of the edges. Like, you're not going to see another wave like this. Like, we will be swimming for days once you finish with these edges. Like, so just sit back and watch how I do, how I create the waves. Sit back and just watch the technique, the flick of the wrist, the flick of the toothbrush bristles as I create these waves, child. As I create these waves that you guys want to swim in. So, I mean, let me not go on with the dramatics, but so after you make those waves, you are going to take that satin scarf again and you're going to place it over your edges. So, well, here are your edges. They're no longer edges, they're waves. You're going to place it over your waves for 5 minutes. This keeps your waves, not edges, your waves intact. Like, they're frozen in time. You just want to keep them there. Just like freeze. Stay there for a while. And you're going to keep them there for 5 minutes, and then after, you got to untie your scarf and you're going to have the best waves / edges, best waves for life. And people are going to be like, oh, where you get those waves? And you be like, girl, you need to go on Strictly Chic's channel and just take that in, because girl, you need to do that with your life. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, tell me guys if you like the video and what other videos you want to see on my channel. Plus, I know you guys have been loving the Drive With Me vlogs. There are more coming. I am just taking a little while to edit them, but they're coming, so stay tuned for that. Have a great one, guys. Bye.